What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can check your credit score in TD Bank. So you can either like use the app or you can just use the web version. Okay, so on Google you can just search for TD Bank, and this is what you need, guys. You need to click the first results. As you can see, TD Bank online banking, loans, credit cards, and home lending. So you just want to select the first website, and what you need to do, guys, you want to click on search. As you can see in the top right, you want to click on search, and you want to search for credit score. Okay, you want to search for credit score and you want to click enter. So after you click, guys, on enter, what you need to do, guys, as you can see, you need to understand here you want to scroll down. Okay, keep scrolling until you find here importance of credit and understanding your credit card score, your credit score. Sorry, TD Bank. You want to click here. So after you click, guys, on understanding your credit score and report, then you can read this. Okay, as you can see, in the simplest terms, credit is money you borrow and promise to pay back, typically with interest. So you just want to read this. Okay, after that, what you need to do, guys, as you can see, if you scroll down, it says here check your credit report. Okay, but if you click on credit score, as you can see, it will find that it will say here check your credit score. As you can see, stay on top of your credit score. So as you can see, TD Bank has services and resources, tips, tools to help you track your credit score. So you can either like download the app on your phone, okay, and you can just click on find out more. And what you need to do, guys, you just need to download the app for Apple devices or Android devices. If you are using Apple, you just want to click for Apple, then click on continue to the site, and this is the app. You just want to search for it on your App Store or Play Store. It depends what store, like what phone you are using. That's it. And then you're gonna log in, and then you will be able, guys, to check your credit score inside the app. Okay, you just need to understand all these things, as you can see. So read this. Okay, so hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.